Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel where we break down complex AI technologies into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Today, we have a super engaging topic for you, choosing the right database for your generative AI applications. Trust me, whether you're a tech nerd or just curious about AI, this video is packed with insights that'll keep you hooked till the end. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon and Google manage to retrieve the most relevant information from massive data lakes instantly? It's all about the database, especially with the rise of vector databases designed for AI workloads. We've got some amazing stuff lined up, including tips, tricks, and best practices for leveraging AWS databases like OpenSearch, Aurora PostgreSQL, and MemoryDB. Stay tuned. All right, let's kick things off by talking about a recent review from Professor Andy Pavlo of CMU. Published in January 2024, his 2023 database review highlights the growing significance of vector databases. With generative AI becoming mainstream, it's essential to choose a database that supports vector storage and search capabilities, something that Andy Pavlo emphasizes a lot. But what does it really mean for you? Let's break it down. One of the key advantages of vector databases is cost-effectiveness. Typically, retraining a foundation model, FM, can be insanely expensive, but vector databases provide a mechanism to extend these models without smashing your budget. Imagine improving your AI's performance without burning a hole in your pocket. That's the magic of vector databases. Now, what's so unique about these vector databases that makes them ideal for generative AI? It's their inherent scalability and performance, often enhanced by advances in distributed computing, cloud-centered architectures, and specialized hardware accelerators. These powerful databases can handle enormous data volumes while ensuring quick, accurate retrieval of information. So, if you're aiming for high performance and zero lag, a vector database is your best bet. Let's dive into the Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, workflow. This innovative method leverages a database optimized for vector search to fetch relevant information before generating a response. It's like adding a turbocharger to your generative AI. The beauty of this process is that it optimizes AI output without requiring extensive retraining of the model. It's all about integrating the right embedding models and databases to enhance the AI's knowledge and accuracy. Starting with the first key consideration, familiarity. Imagine you're a developer already knee-deep in managing relational databases on Aurora PostgreSQL. The last thing you need is to learn a completely new system, right? Opting for a familiar technology means you can leverage your existing skills, tools, and processes. For instance, if you're using Aurora PostgreSQL, you can simply add the vector extension to support vector search needs without reinventing the wheel. Next up is the ease of implementation. We all know how disruptive new tech can be if it's not easy to roll out. A smooth integration means minimal disruption to your existing workflow and faster time to value. From vectorization to access control and compliance, multiple databases offer varied implementations. For example, OpenSearch service enables you to automatically populate it with embeddings from Amazon S3. Simplicity at its best. Speaking of compliance and access control, this is a critical aspect you can't overlook. If you're already employing robust role-based access control, RBAC, for a non-vector AWS database like DocumentDB, extending this to vector search becomes easier. Imagine maintaining the same security protocols while integrating a new AI feature. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Another biggie is compliance. AWS boasts over 300 security, compliance, and governance services, including heavyweights like PCI DSS, HIPAA, GDPR, and more. Ensuring your database meets these requirements is non-negotiable. Don't let compliance slip through the cracks. It's crucial for the safety and legality of your data operations. When evaluating performance, indexing techniques like hierarchical navigable small world, HNSW, and IVF flat play a significant role. They determine how swiftly and accurately your database can retrieve the closest matching results. High-performance indexing ensures your database can keep up with the demands of real-time applications. It's the secret sauce to lightning-fast data retrieval. Scalability is another crucial factor. Think about a music streaming service needing to scale its recommendation engine to millions of users. AWS databases like OpenSearch service provide the necessary scale-out infrastructure. Similarly, financial companies can use Aurora Global Database for scalable and resilient vector search in different regions, ensuring high availability and low latency. Performance metrics like throughput, recall, and P99 latency are key considerations. For example, MemoryDB utilizes in-memory storage, optimizing performance for real-time applications like recommendation engines. By choosing the right indexing methods, you can achieve optimal query throughput and lower down your query latency to single-digit milliseconds, perfect for applications demanding high-speed data retrieval. Finally, let's discuss integrations. AWS databases with vector capabilities integrate seamlessly with tools like SageMaker for scalable machine learning solutions. LangChain and LlamaIndex provide abstractions and utilities that simplify the development process and improve productivity. This interconnected ecosystem is designed to make your generative AI projects not just possible, but efficient and effective. By running your vector workloads on fully managed AWS databases, you benefit from the pillars of the AWS well-architected framework: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, and cost optimization. These features ensure that your databases provide a robust environment for your generative AI applications. Looking ahead, AWS database services are equipped to handle billion-scale vector workloads. As your data scales, these tools ensure that your applications remain performant and cost-effective. Whether it's dimensionality, indexing, or hybrid search, AWS databases offer comprehensive support for evolving generative AI needs. Listen to what other industry leaders have to say. Many AWS customers have vouched for the scalability and performance of databases like OpenSearch, Aurora PostgreSQL, and MemoryDB. These testimonials validate the real-world effectiveness and trustworthiness of AWS database solutions for generative AI. So there you have it. Choosing the right database for your generative AI applications doesn't have to be daunting. By understanding your specific needs and leveraging the powerful AWS ecosystem, you can achieve amazing results. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to All About AI Tech if you found this video helpful. Your support and feedback are essential for us to keep improving. Let's build a community where we can share and learn from each other. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Let's talk interaction. One of the most impressive things about modern vector databases is how seamlessly they integrate with existing systems. For example, say you're using Neptune Analytics for a graph-based RAG application. The interaction is smooth and intuitive, almost as if it was built specifically for your existing data structures. No more cumbersome migrations or awkward workarounds, just straightforward, efficient integration. Next, let's discuss data ingestion. One standout feature of AWS databases like OpenSearch service is their seamless integration with Amazon S3 for automatic vectorization. Imagine your data flows streamlined from S3 into your database with minimal friction. It doesn't get simpler than that. Whether it's text chunks or complex embeddings, AWS makes the ingestion process so effortless that you can focus more on deriving insights rather than data wrangling. Ever wondered how big corporations manage to scale their databases without a hitch? AWS databases like OpenSearch service, Aurora PostgreSQL, and MemoryDB offer various scaling mechanisms. For instance, OpenSearch service boasts a distributed infrastructure that scales out effortlessly, while Aurora Global Database allows multi-region replication. These databases can handle hundreds of millions, even billions, of vectors efficiently. Now, high-dimensional vector storage is another crucial aspect. Whether you're using embedding models with dimensions in the thousands, AWS databases are up to the task. Take Amazon Titan Text Embeddings v2, for instance, with dimensions ranging from 256 to 1024. These databases not only support vast dimensionalities, but also keep performance metrics consistent, enabling high-quality AI outputs. Security is another non-negotiable factor. AWS databases are built with robust security measures, ensuring secure transmission and storage of data. Compliance certifications like HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR mean that your vector searches are not just efficient, but also secure and compliant. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing that your database meets global security standards. ANN indexing methods like Hierarchical Navigable Small World, HNSW, and IVF-flat can significantly impact your data retrieval speeds. HNSW, for instance, offers a 9 times increase in average query throughput when combined with optimizations like NVMe caching. Faster, more relevant search results mean happier users and more efficient applications. One of the most tantalizing benefits of modern indexing techniques is reduced latency. Imagine a global bank using MemoryDB to run a real-time financial recommendation engine. When the latency drops to single-digit milliseconds, the user experience vastly improves. This not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also retains engagement across tens of thousands of concurrent users. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the industry leaders. Numerous AWS customers have testified to the efficiency and ease of use of databases like OpenSearch, Aurora PostgreSQL, and MemoryDB. These testimonials underscore the real-world reliability and performance you can expect when you opt for an AWS-led database solution. Their experiences serve as powerful validations. You might be asking, is investing in a vector database really worth it? The numbers don't lie. By avoiding the high costs associated with retraining foundation models, businesses using vector databases save considerable sums. The economic benefits are clear: improved ROI and cost-effective scale without sacrificing performance or relevancy. One more practical example is how natural language processing, NLP, embeddings are generated. Imagine a team using the Cohere Embed English v3 model to generate high-quality embeddings, which are then stored in Neptune Analytics. This integration not only simplifies the development process, but also enriches the AI's contextual understanding, leading to more accurate and meaningful output. A crucial metric for evaluating database performance is recall, the relevance of search results. AWS databases allow configurable recall settings, letting you fine-tune the relevancy of results for your specific application needs. This adaptive approach ensures that your generative AI responds with the most pertinent, actionable information. Hybrid search capabilities take your vector databases to the next level. Pre-filtering queries based on categories or regions ensures that your search results are hyper-focused. AWS databases offer excellent hybrid search functionalities, even extending to full-text search. So whether you're using Aurora PostgreSQL or OpenSearch service, you're covered. Seamless interfacing between AWS databases and your existing tech stack can save you tons of development hours and resources. Imagine using a familiar database like Amazon DocumentDB, which offers a MongoDB-compatible experience, effortless integration with your ongoing projects. It's not just about functionality, it's about making your life easier too. Let's also touch on serverless options. Using serverless OpenSearch service, for instance, can dramatically minimize your management overhead. No clusters to worry about, just a simple, efficient setup that scales as you need. Less stress, more productivity. That's what serverless is all about. Complex query optimization techniques are another high point for AWS databases. Optimized by techniques like ANN indexing methods, these databases ensure you achieve the speed and accuracy necessary for the most demanding applications. Whether it's real-time recommendation engines or intricate AI models, you're equipped to handle it all. Scalability paired with robust performance, it's the winning combo you need for your AI projects. AWS databases like OpenSearch Service and Aurora PostgreSQL offer unmatched scalability options while maintaining top-tier performance. For instance, scalable infrastructure for OpenSearch ensures that you can handle tens of millions of vectors without breaking a sweat. Global deployment is a game-changer, especially for multinational organizations. Deploying a primary database in one AWS region and replicating it to multiple secondary regions with Aurora Global Database ensures high availability and disaster recovery. Your vector searches will remain quick and reliable, no matter where your users are. Generating real-time insights from vast data volumes is no easy feat, but AWS graph databases like Neptune make it possible. Imagine building real-time recommendation engines or predictive models that can process billions of data points in seconds. It's not just efficient, it's transformative for your business. Let's not forget about machine learning integrations. Seamlessly linking AWS databases with Amazon SageMaker enables scalable and customizable solutions for your vector-based operations. Whether it's personalized recommendations or complex vector similarity searches, this integration enables you to unlock the potential of machine learning effortlessly. Consistency is key when deploying databases on a large scale. AWS databases maintain robust performance metrics even under heavy loads, ensuring that your application runs smoothly. Think of it as having a trustworthy partner that scales with you, preserving speed and accuracy regardless of the load.